All right, welcome to the inside of the course. I'm so glad that you decided to join, and I'm sure that you are going to love this course, okay? So let me just explain to you really quickly how to make best use out of the course and how to kind of navigate everything. So first of all, and the most important thing is the folder that I have attached for you. So there's two ways that you can access all of the extra resources that I have created for this course. So the first way is within this lesson here. So if you go to the resources tab in this lesson, you will see a picture chord book PDF, and then you will see a second PDF that says rock master file or something like that. And then if you click on that, it's going to take you to a PDF that has a link to a Dropbox account, okay? So download that PDF and then read the instructions on it, click on that Dropbox link, and that is going to allow you to download what I call the master file. So all of the tabs are in there, all of the backing tracks, all of the drum tracks for the different songs. It's all organized really nicely in one place for you, okay? So that's your master file, where in one place you have all the files. And then the second way that you're going to be able to download the resources is within the individual lessons. So I've totally hooked you up. You have a master file where it's all in one place. And then if you're just going through a lesson and you don't want to search through that master file, you're going to have those downloads within that lesson. So the download that belongs to that lesson is attached to the lesson. So you don't have to search through that file every time, okay? So those are the two ways that you're going to be able to download all of the resources, the PDFs, the drum tracks, and all that good stuff, okay? Okay, that's first thing. Second thing, of course, don't be shy. If you have questions, please contact me and I will give you feedback and I will definitely help you out and answer any questions that you have, all right? Third thing, if you like the course, please leave me a quick and honest review. That really helps me out, and it really just helps Udemy know that I'm producing quality content here on Udemy and not just a bunch of nonsense in my lessons, right? All right, so that's about it. Contact me, download that master folder now, or just go through the lessons, and where you see that there's a PDF in the video, most of the time there's also a PDF resource attached to that video. And of course, in all the lessons where there's backing tracks and drum tracks, you will have that track attached in the resources of that video as well, okay? All right, I hope all of this makes sense and it's not too much information for you. If you're confused, again, feel free to contact me and I will help you out. All right, I will see you in the next lesson. Let's get right into it and let's start making some music. See you there. Bye-bye.